How's it going? It's August 20th and I'm just going to take you for a little walk around the garden this morning before I pick flowers, so you can see it kind of what it looks like in the morning. Here is where I jar up my bunches and put them out on my flower stand. Really cool purple. Oh, like a sleepy little bee. Excuse me, wake up. The day is starting. Kamano Sitka. That's a cool one. The first bell of Barmera blooms are starting to come. And they're looking really big. But here I'm really excited. We've got the very first, what are they? Bloomquist Jean. Very exciting. This is floral. This is Elsie Heston. This is Penn's Gift. This whole big section here. Penn's Gift section is really booming. Rosendale Peach. Applecini Snega. Very nice, very nice. This one is what is it? Sweet Suzanne. Cafe Olay of some kind. Not really sure what kind. This is Penn Hill Watermelon, but no blooms. This is Colonel Bronze. A bit slow for me this year, but it'll come. My floral is slow as well. Oh, the enemy. Crunch. This is the Zinnia Zone. This whole row is Otto's Thrill. So everyone's looking about the same height. They're all about, they're like waist high. So that's where my Otto's Thrill are at August 28th. Or wait, August 20th. This one's really cool. It's called Lupin Chris. It's like purple. Kind of comes across as maroon, but it's more purple. Zorro section. I cut all the Zorro yesterday. And this is the urchin section. Here's an urchin, almost. This whole row is Spartacus. It's just kind of coming into bloom now, but here's a good one. Look at this. Hi, beautiful. Wow, you're perfect. Very nice. This whole row is Diva. Big purple ones. And Creme de Cassis. Creme de Cassis is really small. I don't love how small it is, but it's sturdy. My Diva is kind of acting up. It's not as tight as it should be. So I don't know what's going on with that either. This row is Crazy Love. This is my seedling patch here. And this is Pooh. And there's the Dahlia stand where people come and buy their daily dahlias. Whoa, look at this crazy one. So all of my seedlings here are seedlings of Pooh over there. So they're all like mutant versions. It's pretty fun to see. And so yeah, that's the Dahlia patch, guys. I got a little sign here. And people come and get flowers. And it's a lot of fun. Across the road here and give you the wide view. For coming on the tour, and I'll do another one in a week or so when there's more varieties and more blooms, and I'll keep the tours coming. Okay, see ya.